Welcome to the Laboratory Safety Survival Guide for DRM1413, Manufacturing Technology, Semester 2, 2025-2026. Your lab deployment starts on week 5. Verify your roster and schedule via the CALAM portal. Remember, your personal laboratory safety depends mostly on you. Minimize accidents with good judgment, as this is a high-hazard environment. Laboratory safety is determined by 3 interacting domains. Domain 1, the operator, focusing on personal readiness. Domain 2, the environment, spatial awareness and hazard clearance. And Domain 3, the machinery, technical interaction and physical forces. Safety rules include: only trained, supervisor-approved users may operate equipment. Always adhere to the rule of 2. Never work alone. Zero consumption is strictly enforced. No eating, drinking, or smoking. Read all hazard labels carefully and never pipette by mouth. For lab entry, closed-toe safety shoes, lab coats, and long pants are required. Band attire includes flip-flops, sandals, open-toe shoes, shorts, loose clothing, or loose ties. Long hair must be tied back and securely confined. Eye protection is universal and mandatory. Wear safety glasses or face shields when working with hazardous materials or machinery. Follow the glove paradox. Wear gloves for toxic agents, but never wear gloves when operating machinery due to entanglement risk. In the lab environment, maintain a 36-inch clearance zone, especially around overhead items. Keep aisles clear. Corridors are not for storage. Lift safely, avoiding bending and twisting, and clean spills immediately. In case of emergency, follow 3 steps. 1. Locate fire extinguishers, eye wash, and evacuation routes beforehand. 2. Notify your instructor immediately after any incident. 3. Contain the situation if safe and evacuate according to procedures. The end-of-shift protocol requires initiating workspace cleanup 30 minutes before the lab ends. Properly dispose of used materials in designated containers. If leaving the lab unattended, turn off all ignition sources and lock the doors. The operator matrix contrasts a system failure state, marked by distraction and improper attire, with a system nominal state. In the nominal state, the operator maintains visual focus, wears proper PPE, and ensures safety guards are secured. Key operational safety points. Workpieces must be properly clamped before cutting. Chuck keys must be removed immediately after use. Never use a hand file or emery cloth on running workpieces. Monitor and use correct operational metrics, and never leave a running machine unattended. Compressed air protocol. Only use approved nozzles and never direct compressed air toward any person, as air pressure can cause fatal embolisms. Exercise extreme care near hydraulic and pneumatic equipment. In case of doubt, shut down and contact the instructor immediately. The anatomy of a catastrophe shows that severe injuries rarely come from a single mistake, but often occur when all 3 domains, improper gear, environmental neglect, and machine misuse, fail simultaneously. Fixing just one side can stop a fatal chain reaction. This image highlights severe operator failure, wearing plastic near sparks risks, melting, or asphyxiation. The shrapnel path is exposed without impact protection, and improper ergonomics lacks standard protective gear. Another example of failure: severe burn radius from sparks hitting unprotected skin and flammable clothing. The spinning blade poses an amputation risk. Note the clamping failure, where the workpiece is held by foot instead of a proper mechanical clamp.